Hey Royals, today we're talking coffee table styling. I wanted to showcase and highlight this simple, elegant design I created for my Home for the Holidays series. First thing up, you guys, let's discuss the anchor of this design, and it is this beautiful, ornate glass, wood, and metal coffee table combination. You guys, this is another Facebook Marketplace find. I absolutely love the table design. And on top, you guys, because it is a glass top, it's very airy and light, giving me that ornate Parisian glam design that I love. And it complements this beautiful reindeer design that I came up with for this season. Now let's go in, you guys, and take a look at the beautiful detail on this coffee table. Here I have some really pretty glitter and pearled cone trees that I picked up from the at-home store, and I anchored them on either side. But in the center, you will notice a beautiful reindeer themed centerpiece. Now, you guys saw me create this centerpiece earlier in the season where I showcased it with one of the deer. Being the symmetrical girl that I am, I always purchase my reindeer in pairs, and so I went ahead and added the other deer to this centerpiece, and I absolutely love the result of this design. It is a beautiful combination of the Tiffany blue, champagnes, soft golds, and creams, and it is absolutely royal. I am loving the way that it complements my overall design in this space. Guys, and speaking of this space, you're getting somewhat of a sneak peek of the overall look and feel of my living room design, and it will be showcased and highlighted in the very near future. So set your notification bell so that you don't miss the tour of this space. If you're new here, I want to invite you to please hit that notification bell and subscribe. Join the royal family. As you can see, it is full of inspiration, motivation, and so much creativity. I also want to invite you to connect with me on my other social media platforms, Royalty Designs with Trevina on Instagram and Facebook. Now, to my tried and trues and my brand new boos, you guys know that I so love and appreciate you. Thank you for rocking with your girl along this holiday styling journey. Again, set your notification bells because there is so much more to come during this Home for the Holidays series. Until the next video, I want you all to have a blessed, beautiful, and safe holiday season. Smooches.